Algebra 2, Set 7, Practice. Okay, 93 is 30% of what number? Work the problem and draw the completed diagram. So 93 is, for equals is 30% of what number? So 30%, I'm writing it as a rate, so 0.3 times x, x for what number? And then I just need to divide both sides by 0.3. 0.3 is equal, divide both sides by 0.3, so x is equal to 310. Now we can draw the diagram. We have a before and after. Before is always 100%, and then in our after we have 30%, which we know is 93. Then we know 70%, and our total is 310. So if our total is 310, we just need to subtract 93. We get 217 to represent that 70%, and there are all the pieces of that drawing. 7,800 is what percent of 390? Work the problem and then draw the diagram. So we have 7,800 is what percent of 390? So we can multiply both sides by 100 over 390 and cancel out. We get x is equal to 2,000. So 2,000%, which is a huge number, but when we draw the diagram you can see that it makes sense. Our before 100% is 390. Our after is 7,800. So 7,800 is 2,000% of 390. If it was just 200%, it would be 780. It would have doubled. But it's not 200%, it's 2,000%. So we add that extra zero on there. Okay, last problem. Find x, a, and b. So we have two parallel lines and a transversal cutting across. We have two small angles. So those two small angles are equal to each other. So 2x plus 12 equals 5x minus 21, because anytime you have the transversal cutting across parallel lines, you know that the small angles are equal to each other and the large angles are equal to each other. So all we have to do is solve this equation, subtract 2x from both sides and add 21 to both sides. That gives us 33 is equal to 3x and x equals 11. Now it says find a and b as well. So a is equal to b because they are small angles and they are equal to either 2x plus 12 or 5x minus 21. So we'll just plug it into 5x minus 21. 5 times 11 minus 21 gives us 55 minus 21, which is 34. So a and b are both equal to 34.